Hi everyone. So we're going to talk about how you can create and share assignments on Neo with your PLC. So when you're in the assignment page on your class, you're going to go to Add right up here in the corner and select the type of assignment that you would like to create. So if I was creating an online quiz for my class, I would then create my quiz just like normal. So I'm going to say that this is my practice quiz, like the category it's going to be in my assignment, the start or my gradebook, the start and end times, just like normal, put in any instructions. And then you're going to go to options. And this is what you're going to change. Usually in your library, your assignments are selected by personal as the default. So that means every assignment that you create is in your own personal library, so you can go back and select that assignment to use in future classes. So if you want to share it with your PLC, you're going to select either organization or school. And if you would like to share it with users across the district, then you would select district. So let's select school for this practice assignment. And when I save it, then my PLC members can go to their assignment page and select add, and then they're going to come down to library. And this is the library page, so you're adding an existing assignment and an assignment that was already created, and you're going to come to the different libraries. So usually, like I said, all of your assignments are in your personal library. So these are all of the assignments that I have created while using Neo over the past years that I've been here. So you can see all of the assignments that you've created, so you don't have to continue to create the assignment each time you have a course, especially if you're teaching the same course over multiple years. So your PLC members will go to school, and you can see all of the assignments that have been created in this school. So now we're going to go to filter, and I'm going to type in practice. This category is the subject category. So since I teach math, it's already on math. So whatever subject you've just chosen for your class, that should come up there. So now I can come down here and I can see, oh, here's that online quiz. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to hit submit, and now that assignment is created. So I didn't have to create any part of that assignment. Created it, copied the questions, the rubric, everything. So it's really nice if your PLC is creating an assignment together. You can also go into that assignment once you've copied it, and then you can edit it if you like.